So, just had my Hotend breakdown, and yeah, I fixed it. So I show you the video of me fixing the problem. Here's a little preview at what happened mid-print. Show you the rest of that at the end of the video. But hey, hope you don't run into the same problem, and if you do, now you know how to fix it. So my print suddenly failed, and I looked at this, and it seems like, let me get this in focus, these two little screws here came loose. They're supposed to be in there. Yeah, at first I thought my throat was broken, but that seems to be fine. Just, yeah, this came loose, and yeah, it's supposed to be right there. So I think I only have to screw this down, but unfortunately the sock seems to be in my way. I'm gonna try to screw them down while it's all connected, but I think I'm gonna have to take everything apart again. That's okay, it's another job, another day, another job. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to connect. I'm hoping I can tighten it down from here. Yeah, or else I have to take the entire Hotend apart again. It's these screws. Oh, and I hate doing this because it's very hard for me to get this back together again. So yeah, here goes nothing. So yeah, I was actually able to tighten them up again with everything in place. I even could get this through to wrench it down really good. I think it's on there again quite right. Yeah, that also seems to look like it should. Yeah. Well, let's put this thing back together. So I think you could even do this with it still hanging around up here, like this. Yeah, so if these screws come loose and you think you only have to take off the fence shroud, you do it right, you don't have to take the whole thing apart. I'm glad I didn't have to take the whole thing apart. No, just one of the smallest hex keys, and it's on there again. Well, let's see if she works. Yeah, you really should have enough room to work on it like this. You can reach the hex screw, which you can. Yeah, should be alright. I get this cleaned before I print again. Okay, it's on there again. Seems to be good and tight. Throat is still intact. You really can see that thing from here. Well, it's on there again. Yeah, I tried to see if I had some longer screws, but unfortunately I don't have those. I think I'm gonna see if I can get some longer screws for that. but for now it's okay. And just notice this. Yeah, because when this came loose, the fan shroud was on like that, and the nozzle hit the fan duct, so that's burned. I'll have to print a new one. My printer's busy right now, so I'm gonna put this one, see if I can salvage it a little, and yeah, I'll be printing a new one soon. Well, flash cutter did the trick. Still gonna have to print a new one soon, but this will do for now. Yeah, well, let's get it on and start the print I was trying to do once again. Yeah, seems we have her working again. Bird's line is looking nice and tight on the belt. Shit. Forgot to clean the nozzle. Oh well. You see, the ducts are... The other one was a bit burned too, but it's still pointing in the right direction, so I think it's gonna be fine for now, or at least until I can print a new shroud. Yeah. Seems like I got her going again. And looking at the print, you can almost see the screws getting unwound. Yeah, here I was at the gym. That's why I was doing this. And here it actually came loose and melted the model. So yeah, this is a graphic history of how the Hotend failed. Well, it's doing nicely now. It's a lot cleaner. So yeah, we'll see how she holds up. Well, hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, got the thing running again. I hope it's all gonna hold out, but it's looking pretty good. So hey, thanks for watching. Good luck if you run into the same problem, and I know you can fix it. It's an easy fix. Hey, goodbye.